Okay, our submission for the hackathon challenge is basically an automatic video editor. And so what it does is it takes in an input video and it removes all the boring moments from that video. So if you're filming a 1 hour long podcast and you don't say anything for 5 seconds, it's gonna edit that out for you. And the reason we do that is because if you want to upload videos like that, it's just a pain in the butt to go through such a long piece of content and edit that all out yourself. So our AI does it for you, and I'll show you how it works in just a second. Apologies for the audio, I'm doing this from an airport. When you execute the app, you're prompted to choose a file, and it lets you choose it from anywhere in the file system. So we're gonna say, let's try testvideo.mp4. Here's what that test video looks like without any editing applied. So we open it. So I'm gonna have an and some dead space in this video. You can see there's no jump cuts, it's just raw, unfiltered video. Big space right there, and then an So what the app is gonna do is cut all that out without having to manually do it. This will also get cut out.
It's really good at making your videos.
So let's see this thing run. And then what it does is it's going to ping an external service and say, hey, can we upload this? And then it proceeds to upload it.
Boarding for main cabin 1, 2, and 3 basic economy today. If you are confirmed and ticketed for this flight, we do request that you board at this time for an on-time departure. Again, this is the final.
And it runs a few edits on it using an AI.
Service to St. George.
And it sends back a set of timestamps so that we don't have to send an entire video over and back from that AI. These are the timestamps for removal, which are designated as either boring moments in the clip or moments where somebody said something like So those are going to be removed. And then we natively run those edits and export the file locally in the same project directory as we're working from here. It's going to drop it in the output content folder. It's called testvideo.mp4. So if we open it, you're going to notice a set of jump cuts, and those jump cuts are applied by the actual AI, sending back the timestamps to us, and we apply those on the machine. There's one.
For which you can pay premium top dollar. Yes.
So while a conversation is happening and while stuff is going on in the video, no jump cuts are created, no edits are made. But if you take a few seconds and say it just deletes it for you just like that. So it's a huge time saver when it comes to editing long form content. So there you have it, the automatic video editor. It doesn't filter out the word if there's other people talking in the background. It will filter it out if it's just you saying on your own. And it will also filter out dead space in the video to keep that pacing going and keep the video interesting. So vote for Team Splendid, and let's win this thing.